Levoit's LV 450CH ultrasonic humidifier is a refreshing and revitalizing upgrade to home wellness. With its 360-degree mist nozzle and 3 humidity levels, you'll feel cool anywhere in your home. Its simple one-touch control is intuitive and easy to use. For aromatherapy, simply add your favorite essential oils to the built-in diffuser. The LV 450 humidifier runs for up to 40 hours and works quietly through the night, helping to hydrate your skin and stop airborne bacteria. The ultimate 3-in-1 device, the LV 450 humidifier brings health and vitality into your home. Breathe easy, knowing your health is being pampered.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
The HoneyWell Cool Moisture Humidifier provides 99.9% germ-free moisture for dry air relief. Designed for medium-sized rooms, this humidifier helps relieve dry air discomforts like dry throat, chapped lips, and static shock. With this unique humidifier, water passes through a UV system that kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, mold, fungus, and virus in the unit's water before being released into the air. 3 fan speeds control moisture output, and the Quiet Care technology makes it ideal for use in a bedroom. For temporary relief from dry air discomfort, try the HoneyWell Cool Moisture Humidifier.
More than just moisturize the air in your living spaces with the Levoit LV 600 HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier. Equipped with both warm and cool mist functions, this humidifier can be used year-round to aid and relieve a variety of health problems due to dry weather. Using cool mist eases a variety of irritations that are caused by dry summer heat, including dry skin, and nasal passages, uncomfortable sleep, and static electricity. Alternatively, warm mist helps relieve coughs from colds and flus. The warm mist also helps neutralize any bacteria in the air, allowing you and your family to stay healthy. By operating at a quiet ultrasonic levels to disperse a fine mist, the humidifier is the perfect appliance to use while resting at home. The large 6-liter capacity also ensures up to 35 hours of continuous use, allowing you to breathe easy as you sleep into the night, and it will automatically shut off when all of the water has been diffused or when the program timer has finished counting down. The Levoit Hybrid humidifier also offers a 12-hour timer, a customizable humidity setting, and an automatic humidifying mode, all of which can be set up by using the intuitive control panel. The humidifier also comes with a remote that effortlessly allows you to customize your settings. Setup is easy. Simply remove the water tank from the base, twist off the water tank cap, and fill the tank to your desired level. Place the tank back onto the base and wipe off any excess moisture. Turn on the humidifier and choose your humidity setting and program the timer. The customizable humidity setting can be programmed anywhere from 40 to 80% to set a level that is comfortable for you. There is also an automatic humidity function on the humidifier. When activated, it will sense the surrounding humidity level in the area and will add moisture to the air as needed. You can even transform this massive 6-liter humidifier into a gentle aroma diffuser by adding a few drops of essential oil into the aroma box. Cleaning the humidifier is easy. Simply remove the water tank from the base and add distilled white vinegar to both the inner chamber and water tank. Scrub all parts of the humidifier with the included cleaning brush and rinse all parts thoroughly before allowing this humidifier to completely air dry. Remove the descaling pad and rinse it under warm running water. Pat it dry with a clean, dry cloth. This process can also be repeated for the aroma pad if you have used it for essential oils. Allow all parts of the humidifier to completely dry before reassembling and storing in a cool, dry place. With both warm and cool mist functions and a variety of programmable options, you'll be able to breathe easy all throughout the year with the Levoit LV 600 HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier in your home.